In this video, I will be sharing an overview of Adobe Marketo tokens, their types and scopes. Tokens are variables that plays a crucial role in Marketo Smart campaign flow steps, emails, landing pages, and campaigns. They allow for dynamic personalization and automation in our marketing efforts. To manage and customize tokens that fits your specific campaign needs, just head to Marketing Activities, choose your program, and click My Tokens. It's that simple. Here we have custom tokens for dates, text, number, scores, and even for rich text content. Think of tokens as a tiny data placeholders that pulls in real-time details about your leads and companies. Imagine crafting an email where you need to use the lead first name or displaying. Imagine crafting an email where you need to use lead's first name token or displaying company's name dynamically. In Adobe Marketo, we have different types of tokens at your disposal. The lead tokens speak directly to individuals with their names, email addresses, job titles, and more. Company tokens highlight company-specific details like industry, annual revenue, or the company name. And we have system tokens to add system date, time, or unsubscribe link. Then we have program tokens that reference specific program name and description or campaign ID. Remember, every token benefits from having default value. That way, even if someone's information is missing, your message remains friendly and personalized. Now, the best part is that tokens have different scopes depending upon where you create them. Think of token scope as a hierarchy of your marketing campaigns. Local tokens are specific to individual programs. Overridden tokens offer unique values within specific program for further customization, and inherited tokens work across related programs. Marketo tokens are key to make dynamic, engaging campaigns that resonate with every single lead.